Hey everyone, so today we're going to be going over my Woodyard setup. It's at the land I'm building the house at. As you can see, the house is up there. Got the trail. Chickens right there. Goats right behind me, but got all my wood right here. This is all free wood I've gotten from work and off the side of the road and throughout the woods here. Pretty good pile. These are like 2-foot rounds right here. Goes all the way over here. Working on cutting it up. Coming around this side. Just got a little old pallet box. I have a bunch of short wood in there and junk wood. Got my stack of pallets right here, just for building more stands and whatnot. Then I got my splitter at the county line. I believe it's 35 ton, 25 ton. Split's good though. You can flip it up, split the big rounds with it, split the smaller stuff with it. I got an axe, or I like to use it as a maul to just hit these frozen ones that are frozen to the ground or frozen together, break them loose. And then I got my stacks. They're 4x8, just pallets on the bottom, pallets on the sides. This is the stuff I've been splitting and just stacked. 2 rows right here. Got a row on this side. This is all hardwood right here. Then this stuff is a mix. It's all pine, birch, just a mix of random stuff. I'm gonna use that for firewood bundles. Then right here behind this stuff I just stacked, I have more hardwood, and there's 2 cords, one on that side and one right here. And then back here I just have my scrap wood and chunks, stuff that's too short or too knotty. I sell this for boiler wood, or even give it away normally. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So if you have any suggestions on what I should do or comments on other videos you want me to make, let me know. And yeah, thanks for watching.